All right. Well, I broke the latch over many years of use on my overhead console on my truck. This latch broke. So I ordered this new overhead console compartment lid off of eBay for about 45 bucks, and it came with a new basket. Um, Here's the new one, but the basket's fine. Um, just when I removed the old console that had the broken latch, I also broke these pins off because I didn't pull the console down from the ceiling before I removed it. So if this latch breaks, don't just try and pry this lid out. Pull the console down. There's no screws or anything. Just pull this console down, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws around the basket. Pull that off, and then you can get the lid out. But I wasn't sure how the lid would go back in since I broke it when I pulled it out, but it's pretty easy. Try to hold the phone here, or the camera. Just gotta snap it in to these grooves on each side. There it goes. So snapped in there. Now it's latched. I can swing it open, as you can see from this side. Oops. Let's do that again. Yeah, it's not going to stay in there until the basket's on, but let's see if I can get snap in there again. There it is. Then you set the basket back on top. There's a little latch down here, or a catch. We'll line that, and then we'll just put all the screws in. Try not to drop them. Alright, so there's all the screws. And then to put it up in the ceiling's pretty easy. just gonna push in there. It's got all these tension clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just line those up. There we go. Finally, place for my sunglasses.